Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of phrasal verbs that start with the letter X. While X might be a bit of a rare find in English, these phrasal verbs are no less interesting. Let's explore them together. 1. Xerox something. To make a copy of a document using a Xerox machine. For example, I need to Xerox these reports for the meeting. 2. X out. To mark or cross something out with an X, to indicate that it's incorrect or no longer relevant. Like, please X out the items you've completed on the checklist. 3. X-ray something. To examine the inside of an object or body using X-rays. For instance, the doctor decided to X-ray my ankle to check for any fractures. 4. X marks the spot. An idiomatic expression meaning to point out the exact location of something. You might say, X marks the spot where the treasure is buried. 5. Xenophobe. Although not a phrasal verb, it's a relevant word starting with X. A xenophobe is someone who has an irrational fear or dislike of people from other countries. While X might be a bit challenging for phrasal verbs, these words can be valuable additions to your vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!